Hi, my fantastic chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make an easy but rich and delicious marinade for beef London broil. I'm hesitant to call this a London broil because we're gonna be baking it. What you're gonna need to prepare this dish is a piece of beef. I like to use a top round. My grocery store actually labels this cut a top round for London broil, so look for that at your local grocer. For the marinade, I use Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, garlic salt, onion powder, and good old salt and pepper. With that said, let's get cooking. The first thing I like to do when preparing this, or really any piece of meat, is to pat it dry on both sides with a paper towel. Sometimes you might need to do this multiple times. Then I get her ready by poking holes into it throughout the meat, allows the marinade to get inside the muscle tissue and through the fibers. You can use a fork like I'm doing here, or an actual meat tenderizer, or a knife. If you do decide to use a knife, be careful not to completely slice through the meat. We're not trying to go completely through it. Next, we're going to coat the meat with the herbs and spices, and then add the liquid. I feel that doing the dry spices before the liquid allows the liquid to help seep the dry spices into the interior of the meat. Be sure to coat both sides with the dry rub and coat both sides with the liquid, even though it's going to be basically simmering in the liquid or braising in the liquid, if you will. Cover your container with tin foil and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes or up to a day in the fridge. Then, when you're ready to cook it, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and once it warms up to temp, we're going to bake this for only 8 to 12 minutes. This piece is kind of thin and I like my beef on the rare side, so I'm setting it for 8. If you undercook food, you can always cook it longer, but if you overcook it, you're stuck and you're not going to have a good time. While the meat is resting, pour the marinade juices into a saucepan, bring it to a boil, and then add a thickening agent like a slurry. I don't show this, but I mixed a little bit of the cooking juice with a little bit of cornstarch and let it cook until it reduced and thickened up into a gravy, stirring occasionally. While the gravy is cooking, uncover the meat and slice. Plate it, pour on some of that deliciously rich and flavorful gravy, and enjoy. Please let me know what you think. If you made this dish, did you tweak it at all? Do you have any suggestions? Is there anything you would do differently? I'd love to hear all your feedback. Thanks so much. I love that you have been showing me all this love and support. You are all too kind. I hope you have a fantastic, wonderful day. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!